Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to block messages from unknown accounts on WhatsApp. This is a great feature if you're trying to keep your inbox clean and avoid unwanted messages. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app. Once you're inside, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu and then select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy. Scroll down a bit and click on Advanced. This section gives you additional privacy options. Now, in this section, you'll see the option to turn on Block Unknown Account Messages. Simply toggle it on, and you're done. This will prevent messages from accounts that aren't in your contacts. And that's it. You've successfully blocked messages from unknown accounts on WhatsApp. It's an easy way to keep your chats free from unwanted messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks for watching,